The snack which we are going to prepare is from lotus seed or phool makhana, which appears to be a very simple and an ordinary nut. But then at the same time, we need to know that it contains high amount of protein, which is very important in weight loss, and at the same time, it contains high amount of calcium. So without any delay, let's get started. So for this recipe, I have taken makhana or foxnuts, curry leaves, desi ghee 2 to 3 spoons, mint powder, half spoon pepper powder, turmeric powder, amchur powder, peanuts 2 to 3 spoons, and then salt according to taste, and jaggery powder or shakkar. So first we'll dry roast the foxnuts. So here we have to keep the flame medium and we have to roast them continuously. They look like naughty kids, they would jump out of their classes. Anyways, we are going to saute it continuously for 3 to 4 minutes. Then we'll keep it aside. And now I am going to take the desi ghee or clarified butter which we had taken. I'm going to fry the peanuts. So we have to fry them at low flame and continuously stirring them as well. Continuously mixing, and look at the color which has changed. So we'll add the curry leaves. Please be careful at this stage because generally the splash desi ghee, you can see that the color and the shape of the leaves has changed. So very healthy, and frying also ensures the longer shelf life of this snack. It's very quick and very healthy snack, and one can easily prepare it. So here we have added the turmeric powder, salt, we can take it according to our taste, and the pepper, again pepper powder is again according to the taste. So we're going to fry these spices, and in the end I've added mango powder or amchur powder, mix them well, taken half of the foxnuts which we are going to mix. So these days, because of the lockdown, people are awake till late nights, so generally we want something healthy, and we want something quick also which can be filling. So this is one snack which can fulfill all your needs. So you've added the mint powder, which is optional, definitely it enhances. Now let's see the color, the crispiness of the foxnuts. So the foxnuts has been prepared and we have cooled it. Look how beautiful the color has come. And now we're going to keep it in the airtight container to keep it fresh for a few days. Now for the remaining makhanas, let us roast them a bit again, not much, just for let's say 30 to 40 seconds would be sufficient, but it has to be at medium flame. And here I've added the shakkar or jaggery powder. So I have added 2 to 3 spoons. You can add more than that, depends. So the moment the jaggery powder starts melting, we just have to put off our flame and we have to continuously move it. And now it has, you can see that the shakkar or the jaggery powder has been coated very well on the foxnuts. After cooling it, we are going to keep it in the airtight container. So that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. I'll keep on sharing more such recipes. Please write in the comment section what other such recipes I should prepare for you.